Wait. What time is it?
James, it's 8 o'clock. Get up now.
What? What? Oh, hey, I'm up.
Dad! I can't find my other shoe!
I can't find my keys, Liam. We're a team.
Good morning, everyone. Lily.
Not now, sweetie. Find your shoes.
I have my shoes. I don't have my backpack.
Where is your backpack, Lily?
I don't know. Maybe it's hiding from me.
Backpacks don't hide, Lily. This is silly.
I found them.
Why are your keys in the fruit bowl?
I thought it would be a safe place to keep them. Safe from who? The apples, James?
You never know with apples, honey. Found your backpack, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy.
It was on the kitchen chair the whole time.
See? It walked there by itself. I love you, sweet pea. I love you too, Daddy.
You are a very funny girl. You know that?
I know. Liam told me so.
All right, kids, let's get going. Almost got it.
We're ready, Mom.
Have a great day, sweeties. See you later, kiddos.
Wait, where is my wallet? Oh no!
James, one day I'll leave you for someone calmer.
But who will find your keys in the fruit bowl?
Good point. I'm stuck with you forever.
All right, gotta run. Love you. Bye.
No, not today.
License and registration, please. Yes, officer, here they are.
Good morning, sir. License and registration, please. Of course, officer. Right here, no problem. You were driving fast in a slow zone. Was I? I really didn't notice that. I'm giving you a ticket today, sir. A ticket? Today? Really, officer? No. It's not here. I can't find it. Wait, where is my cash? This is strange. Do you have a card, sir, instead? I think I left my card at home. Sir, I need payment, or I write this up. Can I pay tomorrow? With interest and a smile? That is not how this works, sir. This man has no payment for his ticket.
Excuse me, sir. Is everything okay here? It's okay, I have it. How much?
$40, miss. That is the amount. Here, take this.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Wait, really? You don't have to do that.
It's okay. Everyone has a bad morning sometimes.
You have no idea. My backpack ran away today.
Your backpack ran away? That sounds like quite a story.
Thank you so much, really. You saved me today.
It's nothing. Good luck with your day, sir.
Let me get your number so I can repay you.
It's Emily. Just send it back anytime. Have a great day. Have a great day. You too.
Wait until Sarah hears about this one.
I got to be goalie, and then I saved 3 penalties. No way, you're so good! Yeah, and then we won the game. School was so boring today, honestly. I liked it. We learned about baby ducks. Ducks? Real ducks? That sounds pretty cool. Yes, mama ducks and tiny baby ducks.
Oh, hello there, little guy. What are you doing out here all alone?
Lily, look! On the road, a duck. A baby duck. A real baby duck. I wonder where its mom is. I don't see her. Maybe she's nearby, like my backpack was. Okay, little guy, you're coming with us. I will name him Mr. Quackers forever. Look, there's Dad and Mom. Oh yeah, hi Mom. Liam, look. Isn't that Dad over there? Yeah, that's Dad. Who is that lady? Goodbye, Emily.
Bye, James. See you soon.
Lily, focus. We have a real duck now. Right, sorry, Mr. Quackers, my bad.
Where did it go? It was right here. Oh, no, no, no. Not this vase. Oh. This was James's grandmother's vase. Oh, no.
You won't believe what I found. What is it? Show me, show me. Mom, Mom, you will never believe this.
Liam, not now. I'm dealing with something.
Mom, we found a baby duck.
A baby duck?
Really? Tell me what happened.
Hello there, little one. Welcome to the chaos.
Can we keep him, Mom? Please, please?
Oh my goodness, Liam. I found him in the yard. He's so small. Hello there, little one. Welcome to the chaos.
Can we keep him, Mom? Please, please? Mom, what happened here? Is it broken?
The blue vase is broken, Liam. I'm not sure how.
Was it the duck, Mom? Just asking.
The duck wasn't even here, Liam, silly.
Look, he's comfy. So cute. We'll take good care of him.
Ah, home at last. Honey, you will not believe my morning.
James, we need to talk. It's the vase.
What about the vase? What happened?
It's broken, James. I found it broken.
It's okay. It's really just a vase.
James, your voice is doing the thing. There absolutely is a thing, James.
Maybe we can glue it back together.
I can help. I'm good with glue. Last time you glued your hand to the table. I think this goes here. Oh yes, that's it.
We can fix it, right, Dad? We're getting there. Okay, this piece goes right here. Or maybe not here. Let's try again.
Let me try, Dad. I've got this. Woo, that's a lot of glue. Oops, it's dripping. Oops, that might be too much glue. That's enough glue for 10 vases, Liam. Oh, honey, it's so unique.
I think we nailed it.
Can we make another one?
Yes, but maybe tomorrow.
Is it supposed to look like that?
No, Lily, it's really not supposed to.
It looks like it survived a small explosion.
This vase has been through a lot today.
So, what happened with that lady today?
How do you already know about that?
We saw you on the road with a lady.
Oh, that's Emily. She helped me out.
Helped you with what exactly, James?
I got a ticket. I had no cash.
A stranger paid your ticket? Really, James?
Yes. Isn't that amazing? People are kind.
And she just had $40 ready?
I guess so. Lucky me today.
She said, "Good luck finding your wallet, Daddy."
She did say that. Yes, she did.
I'm just teasing you, James. I trust you.
I know. You can't even doubt me much.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, listen to that.
It sounds like it wants something.
Come on, just a little. Almost. There. Almost.
Nope. That's worse. Grandma would laugh.
Daddy, why are you sad about a vase?
It's not just a vase. It was Grandma's.
But the vase remembers her, right, Daddy?
Yes. Yes, I think it does.
We are a little broken, too, sometimes.
That might be the smartest thing today.
I've missed you so much.
I missed you too, Dad. Thank you, Lily. I really needed that.
You're welcome. Can we feed Mr. Quackers now? Mom, do we have any gold paint?
Gold paint. Liam, what for exactly?
I saw it online. They repair pottery with gold.
You mean kintsugi, the traditional Japanese art of repairing pottery with gold?
Yes, the broken parts become beautiful parts.
Liam, that's actually a wonderful idea.
Look what I found!
Wow.
Ah!
Ooh, is that gold paint?
We don't hide the cracks, Dad. We paint them gold.
Liam, that's actually really beautiful. Hold it steady.
Just a little more glue there.
Now for the gold. That's perfect.
It looks like a treasure map, Mommy.
It really does, sweetie. It's beautiful.
It's more beautiful than it was before.
James, are you crying over a vase?
I'm crying over my family fixing it.
Dad's crying. My idea did that, Dad.
You did, buddy. You really did this.
We did it. I'm so proud of us.
We're finally home.
Best hug ever.
We're a lot like this vase, you know?
Broken in places, but still beautiful, right?
Can the duck be in the hug too?
Lily, every hug needs a duck, apparently.
Oh no! I forgot her again! Well, look at that. It never left.
My backpack. It was loyal the whole time.
So the great backpack mystery is solved.
And it only took one whole day, honey.
Almost done, little guy. You'll be so cozy in here. Now it's perfect. Look at him, he's falling asleep. He loves it.
You're a great dad, James.
I'm doing my best. I still misplace my keys sometimes.
You did it.
It's beautiful, Liam.
Wow, it's glowing. It's the most beautiful thing in our house. Funny how broken things become the best things. I have an idea. Let's all go out. Are we going somewhere fun, Mom? Wow, look at that.
It's so beautiful tonight.
Let's go in. We should take a picture first.
Smile, everyone.
Okay, everyone, listen up. I made lists.
Lists? Like a mission, Captain Sarah?
Notebooks and pencils? That's so boring. You can pick one fun thing too. Crayons and a duck toy? Best list ever! I thought Mr. Quackers might like a friend.
See you in a bit.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Mark.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Maya.
Have fun.
You too.
Look what we found!
It's perfect.
Can we get ice cream now? I got us a backup vase, just in case.
Smart. Very smart thinking, honey.
Look at the toy car I got and the teddy bear.
This board game looks fun.
We have everything.
Thank you for helping, ma'am. That was so much fun. It was perfect. Let's load up the car. Look at my new toy.
That's great, buddy. Has something broken in your home turned out better?
Tell us your story in the comments below.